The top 5 best running shoes recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Nike Men's Sneaker. A plush mesh is placed at the forefoot and along the collar for a comfortable feel. Extra skins add durability. Heel and tongue contact points create a natural feel when you put on and take off shoes. The outsole has a computer-generated design that creates a natural plunger effect while you run, providing more cushioning and flexibility. Durable traction. Providing more cushioning and flexibility. Recommendation number 2. Saucony Men's Endorphin Pro for sneaker. Snappy speedroll technology provides effortless speed and addictive forward motion. A trusted carbon plate provides insanely smooth turnover that's super efficient. Improved race-ready design has a silky smooth heel liner and integrated tongue for a connected, secure fit. Step into our newest SRS, super responsive sock liner. We dare you not to bounce. Snappy on your toes race day performance. Recommendation number 3. Nike Men's Sneaker. Nike Downshifter 13 men's road running shoes. Whether you're excitedly starting your running journey or an expert eager to switch up your pace, the Downshifter 13 is down for the ride. With a new, soft, upper, and uncompromised cushion and durability, it helps you find that extra gear or simply take that expectant first stride toward meeting your mileage needs. Breathable mesh. An updated internal fit band offers great wrap around the midfoot for support and security. Durability. Lightweight and comfy. Recommendation number 4. New Balance Men's Fuel Cell Rebel V for running shoe. Crafted to be light and fast. Built with fuel cell foam to deliver maximum propulsion and speed with minimal weight. The Fuel Cell Rebel V4 will be your go-to shoe for any kind of run. Fuel cell foam delivers a propulsive feel to help drive you forward. No sew overlays. Fun sublimated graphics. Recommendation number 5. Puma Mens Dazzler Sneakers. Crafted with fine technology and futuristic design, Puma shoe is surely here to uplift your style and track games. Kick off on street and field in this shoe from the world's leading and much-loved sports brand, Puma. Style name: casual shoe. Model name: Dazzler. Brand color: Puma black, Puma silver. Wipe with a clean dry cloth.